Hello everyone and welcome back to the Breakdown How To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to automatically post your images to Instagram. You can schedule them on your desktop or on your phone using this service here. It's called Later. Go to the breakdown.xyz/later, first link down below, to sign up and get 10 images free per month in addition to the 30 images you're already getting, right? So you'll have 40 images for free to post every single month, which is freaking awesome if you use the first link down below. Now, this is an Instagram platform. It also has other social media platforms for it. We use it actually for our own Instagram. Right here, the Breakdown Setups Instagram. You can check this out down below. We post tons of awesome gaming setups, right? We post 3 images a day. So we are serious power users and power posters on Instagram here. So this is a perfect service for people who are posting tons and tons of content like we do on Instagram. We've actually gotten 750 followers almost in like 3 months of posting, which I personally think is pretty good. I know you guys are probably doing way better than that, but I'm proud of it. So anyway, if we come over to here, let's go ahead and set up Later. Now for you, you're going to go in and choose your plan, which is going to be the free plan most likely here. And then you're going to sign up and do all of that stuff. But once you get into Later, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have this over here, and then you're going to have a blank space basically on this side of things, right? Blank calendar, blank space. How do you go about actually setting things up? Well, you're going to need an Instagram business account to do auto posting, and Later will take you through doing auto posting as well as downloading the app on your phone in order to do non-auto posting, right? If you want to do automatic posting where you can just put it in here and do it yourself from your phone, but have everything ready to go, you can do that, or you can use Later to auto post, which is what's really, really great as long as you have an Instagram business account. There's a ton of features here. I'm only going to scratch the surface, but let's go ahead and select a posting schedule. Now, these posting schedules are just guides, and they are pretty hard to see here. I have one, for example, tomorrow at 8:05, 11:50, and 7:50 at night. And then the next day, they're a little different. To add these, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is double click. So let's say we want to add one here tomorrow at 3 a.m., right? So where's tomorrow at? Right here at 3 a.m. Let's go ahead and double click. And boom, there it is at 3:10. We can then click on that, drag that where we want it, and there we are. We're good to go. Now, removing these is a bit buggy. As you can see, it's not wanting to let me do that. So you might have to refresh the page in order to delete one. Say you accidentally put in one, and there we go. It let us delete it after we refresh the page. But there's our general schedule. Now, you don't have to use this schedule. You can drag an image onto any of this. But what do I mean by dragging images? Well, you need to upload some images. To do that, click Upload Media up here. Select the images you want to use, and then they will all appear over here in Later. And I can actually clear all of this and see all of the posts we've ever posted through Later on this side panel over here. However, if we go to filters, right, we can click on used media. So this is all the stuff that's been posted, or unused media, and this is all the stuff that has never been posted to Instagram. I upload tons of content here all the time. I find images, I'm like, oop, that's a good image, and I post it into here. And one of the things that I do, if we click on one of these images and then click edit on note, there's a note here that this is from a Reddit user called Casual T. That's who uploaded this image. And I want to give him credit, obviously, in this post. So let's go ahead and do that. Make a post. So you've uploaded your images. Let's go ahead and click on a post over here and drag it into the timeline. Now, I'm going to do 8:05, so I'm going to drag it right on top of that schedule. And now you can have saved captions. So I'm going to click on Saved Captions here. As you can see, if I get it from Unsplash, which is a copyright-free image site, you can check that out. The third link down below. It's a great place to get Instagram images. Or if I'm doing a Reddit post. This is a Reddit post, so we're going to go ahead and click on Insert Caption. As you can see, I've got this already filled out. I can just copy this guy's Reddit username, paste it there, and boom, now he's credited. I can also type in a caption if I want. So there we go. I went ahead and added in a caption here as well as a call to action to tag a friend. I can then add in hashtags, which you could include over here as well if you want. Or you could keep them outside of this website, which is what I do. I just copy and paste them in. So let me grab a hashtag set. Hashtag set is copied. We can paste it in, and there we go. Now this post is ready to save. As you can see, you want to make sure it says auto down here. If it says send notification, it's actually just going to send a notification to your phone to post this. We want to auto publish it. It's going to go out without us thinking about it, right? Simple stuff there. Now, one more thing I want to do is look over here. So how do you get these saved captions? Well, you can copy current text as saved caption. That works. Or you can click the plus button up here to create a new saved caption. Create it, name it, and then you can just click on it and add it into the post like I did. That saves me so much time, guys. I used to do this via an old service called Grum. Grum is great, but it doesn't have all these features like auto captions and being able to save all these images and store them here like Later does. So we click save there, and there we go. Another feature I absolutely love about Later is this search and repost feature, right? So you can search Instagram by hashtags and repost some of this. So one of the things I like to do is say PCMR. It's going to be PC Master Race. So we've got tons of images here. Here's a really good, beautiful looking battle station. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to our library. So be aware that others may own copyright. We understand that. I'm going to give them full credit. You should ask for permission of their content. I'm going to give them full credit. They can contact me if they want to remove that. If you do repost this content, it's a good policy to give credit, which I'm going to do. So yes, I agree. Boom. So that is now added to our library. If we come back over here to media, we'll be able to, calendar, we'll be able to find that in our library. If I can see it here. Maybe it's reposts. That's what we're looking for. Give me 1 second here while I find this, guys. Actually, that did not add. The reason that didn't add is because I hadn't accepted that yet. So if we come back here, we can now click add to library. There we go. It's added to the library. We can go back over to calendar. Boom, here it is. So we can click on this post, and if we click edit, it has their caption already in here, right? So let's go ahead and post this image tomorrow. So I'm going to move this over right there. That's going to be our 11:50 post tomorrow. So we can say the submission is by them, and then we can also do a repost credit for @FutureComputer. So I'm going to use my own captions for this. So if I come in here and use my own captions, so photo source is actually not Reddit. This is hashtag reposted from @FutureComputers, right? Boom, right like that. Simple as that. Now, we can use their hashtags, because why not, right? Give a test on their hashtag set to see how good it is compared to ours. We can then go in here and say that this was submitted by @BattleRigs, because we want to give everybody full credit here who deserves it. So they actually got this from someone else as well. And then we are good to go. So we can go ahead and say tag a friend who needs a battle station like this. There we go. And boom, now we have a repost done on Instagram that simply and that easily. Click save. There we go. That'll go up tomorrow at 11:50. Boom, guys. That's how easy it is to schedule posts on Grum. Like I said, you don't have to use these schedules. I just use them as a general guide. I could drag this right here, and boom, it'll post, right? I don't want to post that there, though, so I'm gonna get rid of it. But nevertheless, that is how easy it is to post things, guys, via Later. I love Later. It is the best Instagram app out there. I swear by them. And that is why I wanted to do a video showing them to you guys. This isn't sponsored in the way that they asked me to do it. I wanted to do this video because I love Later, and they really are the best way to automatically post photos to Instagram. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this every single day of the week. My name is Nick. This has been the Break It Down How To, and I'm out, guys. Peace.